Have you ever wished cloning was legal and that you could replicate your top sales professionals? Research correlates this to the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. 80% of sales are made by 20% of sales reps. It can feel impossible for underperforming reps to crawl out from underneath. But now you have a true recipe to coach and train to clone the top sales performers and their behaviors. At Prodoscore, we have found a way to leverage all the cloud-based technology tools that you have invested in to improve employee productivity along with coaching, which in turn solves the challenge of replicating top performers. Here's how we do it. We are the center of the spoke for all your sales employees' business tools. Office tools that include G Suite, Office 365, CRM, and UCaaS communication solutions that collect all your call data for your users. The key is we tie in via APIs, so the end user has no impact. You can now have a daily snapshot of all your employees' activities when they work from home, the office, or anywhere. As you can see from this screenshot, you can now see what a top 20% performer is doing on a daily basis from an activity standpoint to formulate a recipe. Long gone are the days to be more like Johnny. Now, when coaching other reps, you can say, here is the formula of the activity needed to be more like Johnny. For instance, Johnny's score is typically 20 points higher than yours because he does 3 hours of calendar time, over 1 hour of actual call time, 55 emails, and 264 sales activities, versus you are at 1 hour of calendar time, 0 calls, 4 emails, and only have 18 Salesforce activities. We all know activity equals opportunities equals sold revenue. Let Prodoscore help you clone your top performers legally to achieve greater results. Visit us on our website now at prodoscore.com. We're ready to chat.